told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never say.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Omakle's kitchen, where all the magic happens. Okay, if it's your first time here, I'm Omakle. You are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, I'm so glad you came back to watch again. On today's video, I'll be sharing on how to prepare pigeon pea, which is a spicy dish peculiar to the indigenous people of Enugu state, which is located in the southeastern part of Nigeria, and this dish is popularly known as FIO-FIO. And if you are interested to know how to prepare this, if you're interested to know how to, or the easiest way to prepare this dish, please sit back, relax, and stay through this video, okay? So I'll go ahead to take out the quantity I'm going to use for this recipe. I'll also select them to remove debris and wash them and put them in my cooking pot, okay? So I'm going to allow this to boil up a little bit before I have to go ahead to add my salt. And this salt will help to break the bond in this recipe, and you have to add enough salt and cover this up to cook for a long time before you can go ahead to wash this salt off, okay? So I'm going to add salt and cover it up to boil until it shrinks. So the next procedure is to wash off this salt, because I added enough salt in this recipe. So I'll go ahead to wash them off properly until the salt is no more there, okay? After washing, I have to add it back into my pot and start cooking. So for this recipe, I have my salt, my onion, my seasoning cube, my fresh pepper, my palm kernel oil, and my crayfish, okay? And also for this recipe, you need your yam. So I'll go ahead to prepare these ingredients and set them aside. So I'll go ahead to dice my yam into pieces and allow this yam to cook done. When this yam is properly cooked, I will sieve this recipe out, okay? So the next step is for me to prepare my pepper sauce. Over here I have my red oil. I'll go ahead to add my diced onion and my grinded pepper, okay? And remember guys, you're going to cook all these on low heat. So the next step is to add my salt and my seasoning cube to my pepper mix and stir fry a little bit. So the next step is for me to add my crayfish to my pepper mix and stir fry as well. The next procedure is to add my cooked recipe to it and stir properly. So I'm gonna stir this recipe properly and add little quantity of water and cover it up to cook for some time. So guys, if you are watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Well, I can't resist the aroma that is coming out from this recipe right now. So I'm going to set my dining table and cross my leg and enjoy my recipe. Thank you, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.